Alright, what's good, YouTube? Your boy is in not passenger seat, but driver's seat of a Corvette CS. I said CS, I'm so sorry. C6. Forgive me. I do know my cars. Forgive me. I was looking at some BMW M5s on the Car Gurus today, so forgive me on that part. But other than that, man, it's gonna be my first time driving the C6. Got the windows down a little bit so you guys can hear it. Ooh, yes, sir. Ooh, ooh. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, baby. Gotta love the C6. Ooh. Ooh, this thing pulls, man. Oh. Oh shit. The C6 pulls, man. From a dead stop. Oh, I love it. Hey, let me know if I should get a C6 Corvette, man. Sheesh. This thing is floating, boy. Good grief. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go to an empty parking lot too, show y'all around the car, man. But so far this thing is nasty. Put it in neutral real quick. Oh man. So far the thing is nice though, man. It does have a target top. Here are the keys. This is a 2011 Chevy Corvette 2LT, if you guys can see that or not. This is aftermarket up here. This Apple CarPlay and all this good jazz. 200 on the dash. Got a nice steering wheel to it, man. I'm loving it. It's a very nice car, no cap, bro. This car is sick. Hey man, this thing pulls, bro. Do you see that? It's yanking me. Good grief. Got me like Mario in this thing, baby. Oh my goodness. Corvettes are too damn fun. Excuse my French, but man, I can't lie. If I had something like this, bro, I am not gonna be able to do the speed limit. I just won't be able to. Oh my goodness, it's just too fun. Find a little empty parking lot. Go ahead and stop. Actually, I might do it. Yeah, I might do it up here. Oh my goodness. Corvette. That's why they made that song. Corvette. Shit, Corvettes is it, bro. 53,000 miles too, if I didn't already say that. Can you even use this steering wheel still? No, cannot. So, gas information, fuel economy. Okay, average. Oil pressure 26. Options. I don't think they got nothing else in there. Nothing additional. Bet you guys hear it up with the windows up too. Should we bust a U-V and do it again? We should, and we shall. Sorry, I got carried away, guys. I forgot I was supposed to pull over. I got too carried away, bro. Damn, this car is fun, bro. Goodness. It's a little squeaky, a little creaky here and there, but man, damn, this car is fun, bro. Can you park back here somewhere? And we're gonna do it anyway. Damn, this is a fun ass car. Fuck. I have to get a C6 Corvette now, bro. This is actually fun as hell. All right, let's go ahead and park this baby up. Oops, hold on. All right, y'all still recording? Cool. We gonna pop the hood. You pull this out or what? Hold on. There we go. Pop the hood. Unlock. All right. C6 Corvette. Hopefully I can see it clearly. Clear as day. Hell yeah. And we're gonna pop the hood on it. LS3, baby. Look at that. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Pull out the phone too, just so I can get it on there. 2011 Chevy Corvette LS3. Flip it around, make sure I'm still recording. Sweet, we still recording. Go ahead and rev this bad boy up too. Oh. All right, YouTube, we about to go ahead and make our way back. Make sure the window's down. Don't want the GoPro to overheat. Oh, seatbelt back on. You know, as Doris say, so we can be safe. Put this thing back in sport mode. Well, I think it's just the sport transmission, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think they actually have a sport mode button or nothing like that on here. Oh yeah, that's the trunk. How you unlock this thing? Oh, it's right here. Sweet, check that out. Traction control, competitive driving mode. Ooh, man, look at that bug up there, little fly or whatever. Yes, sir. Hey man, hope y'all enjoying the new content I've been bringing to the channel, man. I'm trying to do it up, bro. I promise I am. Trying to switch up the content, switch it up, bro. Let me know what y'all want to see, man. Teslas, you know, the EV. You want me to switch into the Corvette? I'm trying to do it, man. I'm trying to improve my content, switch it up a little bit. But at the end of the day, I'm always gonna bring my POV videos, and that's facts. Shoot, I really don't have much else to say, man. The Corvette is doing majority of the talking, and that's for real. I'm gonna try to take off a little slow. Should I? Yeah, I'm gonna take off a little slow. Because man, ever since I've been in this car, bro, I just been stepping on it. I can't lie.